If you're looking for the ultimate Tritoon on the lake, look no further. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we are aboard this Crest Caribbean 270. This boat will be a 27-foot boat with twin 400 Mercury outboards for a total of 800 horsepower. It's got an 80-gallon fuel tank and the capacity of 14 people. This boat will do up to 60 miles an hour in style and comfort. As you notice throughout, you will have plush diamond stitching and plush foam on this boat, fiberglass seat bases with plenty of storage. You will have a twin trash can setup that is hidden below this nice little storage compartment. As you move forward, this is a four-season boat. Because of the bimini top and snaps, you will have a camper enclosure, so you will have a isinglass package that will close this off from the elements, so rain, wind, and anything else that you want to avoid. You will have the twin captain chair set up, as well as the L-shaped seating back. Back here, this back seat rest is on a hydraulic actuator, so you can pull it back, stop it at any point, or lay this flat into a lounge chair. The helm is going to be well equipped on this boat with a Eclipse audio system. You will have a Garmin head unit and 2 Mercury throttles. Back here in the back with the motors on each side, you will have the center tow bar and center ladder. It is a beefy tow bar to be able to pull any of your tubers, skiers, or wakeboarders. If you have questions on this Crest, please give us a call. Our number is in the link below.